Welcome back to another packet tracer. This is 724, testing a multi-router network with redundant links. So we are going to be looking at some methods for selecting and testing the appropriate routing protocol based on network requirements. So we're demonstrating that basic connectivity and routing protocol are configured correctly, and we're using our Stadium Route protocol test plan. So we are going to be verifying the configuration of EIGRP, verify that EIGRP can recover from a routed link failure, then we'll take off EIGRP and use static routes, and we will verify static routes can recover from link failure. So we'll get out our document here. So first we want to console in and ping every other device, which this is the test procedures that we've done for all of these packet tracers in this category. So I'm going to go past it. It's just going in, pinging everything works. I've made sure of that, and we're just saving our running config and show IP route in a document, just so you can look at that later, which is just something to do that we don't really need to go through every time we go through one of these. And then another one, you're just verifying EIGRP using these show commands: IP route, IP protocols, IP EIGRP topology, and EIGRP interfaces. So that's all the stuff you'd get from show commands after telnetting or consoling into our router. So we're going to skip right ahead and verify that EIGRP can recover from link failure. So we'll telnet to router 2. So now we're into router 2. We want to disable the link between R2 and R3 by shutting down interface FA01. So we can do configure terminal interface FA0/1, and we can shut. Let's watch that one go down. You can see we've just shut this one down. And you can do show IP route to see how the topology has changed there. You can do a tracer to PC2, which is 8.10. And there you go. EIGRP is back, so it's coming this way, going up this left side. So you can see how that has come back from that link. So we'll go on to step 3, which is removing EIGRP and configuring static routes. So we are going to telnet back into the router. Oops. And enable the link on interface FA0/1, no shut. Make sure that has opened back up, and it has. And now we want to remove EIGRP. So we want to do configure terminal and do no router EIGRP1. And then we want to add a static default route. So we can do IP route 00000000, and we're going to using router 3 as the default gateway right there. And we can save that and exit, so we can telnet to router 3. I get the wrong address here. Router 3 0.14. I'm thinking maybe there was a typo on that last one because I just put 4 in there. Alright. Yeah, I've got 0.4, but I think it's supposed to be 14. Okay, so first let's go ahead and get router 3 set up here. So we are going to add a static route doing IP route 172.18.4.0 55.255.0 18.0.13. And then we can do show IP route here. And let's see if we can do our ping or trace route. From PC1 to PC2. So we are not getting that to go. So I'm going back into router 2, and I'm going to fix this one. No IP route 00.00.00.000 172.18.0.4. Oh, that's not going to work because I need to do configure terminal, and then we'll do that one. I think it was supposed to be 14. So now let's try to do a trace route. There, it went all the way through. So a little typo right here, should be 14. So now we're already in, oh, I thought we were in router 2. Let's go back to router 2. And we want to disable the link between R2 and R3 by shutting down FA01 and do shut, And now we can do show IP route. And you can see we've only got one here. Maybe we need to wait a little bit for EIGRP to reconfigure. Let's try to. So it looks like it's not getting, it hasn't converged yet. Trying to get it to fast forward to converge here. So it hasn't, and I'm just realizing what we just did. We just put a static route. We have to have R3 to use R2 to reach the 4.0 network, and we've shut down that route. So there you go. That, I guess, is our solution here. Is once we've configured the static routes and then blocked them and shut the port down, they were not able to reconverge like EIGRP. So that's the benefit of EIGRP, is that they will respond to downed links and find new routes and keep your network going. So for our routing protocol test plan, looks like EIGRP would be the way to go with that one. So that is where we're going to end this one. Thank you very much for watching.